executive section is limited to admin users through the executives button on the navigation bar, as it allows us to manage users with access to the platform. To create new users, we click on the new button on the toolbar, enter the details, we choose a role, and when choosing executive, we can also choose a specialty on the selection bar that will appear automatically. It's important to keep in mind that the admin role has access to sections and functionalities of administrative nature, like we're seeing right now. We select a status. Only active users can access the platform, and only active users appear in the selection bars when creating tasks. We can enter a photo and a digital signature, although users can edit these through their profile sections. And finally, we select which processes and which additional fields the executive will be able to access. It's important to understand what this means. First of all, each user can only view and manage tasks that are connected to a process to which they have permission to access. This affects all the functionalities that handle tasks, for example, the task history. And secondly, each user can view only the additional fields that they have permissions to access. That is, each user can only see the categories to which they have access in the tabs of the customer file, as well as in the report selector through the print button on the customer section toolbar. To save the details, we simply click on Save on the toolbar. And when saving a new user, an email with the login data is sent to the email associated with the user. It's important to remember that the number of users available is limited by contract. If the maximum is reached and the number of users needs to be increased, an email can be sent automatically by clicking on Accept in the alert that will appear. To manage users, we first need to select them by clicking on them from the list of users. To edit them, we simply click on the Edit button on the toolbar, make the necessary changes, and then click on Save on the toolbar. And to delete them, we simply click on the Delete button on the toolbar.